So, welcome to Digitize Tech Academy. Today, we will continue social media marketing. So, in the last video, we created an ad on Facebook Ad Manager. This is Facebook Ad Manager, and we created an ad and we scheduled it. Later, after approval, I told you that we got some mail from Facebook. This was the mail. In the last video, I have like we have created a campaign for someone, and the ad was approved, so it is running now. So this is the running ad which we created earlier in the last week. So far this amount has been deducted from our wallet, from this account wallet. Are three accounts. So from this account wallet, this much amount has been deducted, and this was the result. The budget was 300 rupees per day. Impression is almost like nearly 40,000. Cost per impression, 1,000 impression is 12 rupees. Reach is 30,000. Frequency is 1.31. Frequency means what? The number of ad appears for particular people. Okay. CTR means click through rate. If 100 times you see an ad, if this is 1%, that means only one time the ad has been like clicked. Okay. Link clicks is 33. CPC, cost per average cost for each click. Okay. So this is like cost for each click, attribution, and all these are things. Now let's go into detail. Here we are studying about uh, social media marketing. Social media marketing means whenever there is an ad budget, additional ad budget for running ads, it means social media marketing. And the brother of social media marketing is social media optimization, where there is no ad budget. People do it manually. Okay. So let's come back to like this ad campaign part. So see, our client told us that no male should watch this ad. So if I select men, so there is no watch, zero watch. So like ad is running good. Okay. And we can edit this ad from this place. If like we want to add men into this ad, if we want to show our ad to all the men, then we can edit it from this place. And here we can see history. So let it be for now. Basically, we are again trying to create one ad. Okay. So I'm not prepared as of now, but let's see what happens. So if we want to create another ad, we will go to this part, like create button, call to action button. This is button create. Okay. After clicking this button, I will have to like select one of the buying type. So I'll keep it like option. And why option? Because option means I have a competitor and I want to win this bid. That's why I've selected option. And here my goal is awareness. Since client told me that you just aware people about us, and we will get satisfied. Okay. So this is like our goal. So every campaign has an objective or a goal. Okay. Now let's continue. So one ad can take almost 1 hour, but if you are good with ads, if you have practiced it, then you can make it in half an hour if you have creative ready from your designer. So I have designer and he created like the graphic video. Let's see. Okay, I am like turning this off template. I'm giving it manually a name. So this time it is a ad for dental implant in my district, in our district. And I'm removing this district name, but now it is good. And now, so this is a dental clinic which is running ad, and they want to tell that they can do dental implant and every dental solution. Okay. So we don't fall into this category. So I'll not choose any of these. And buying type is earlier we have selected while creating our ad, and I'll let it be. Today we will have to do it fast. Like in the previous video, we were in the details, but today let's do it fast. So since we have selected this part, let it be. Now come to this part. Campaign objective we have already selected. No need to enter this part. Now this part is might be important, so I'll open it. Campaign spending limit, not we are not interested. Like we don't have any like problem since our budget is like 200 300 per day. Okay. Advantage campaign budget. If we click this, Facebook will automatically distribute our ad according to like it's comfortable. If like its algorithm using its algorithm. Yes. So ad budget is it is suggesting that ad budget is 200. And let me tell you that the minimum ad budget in social media marketing, like in Facebook, is 83 something rupees, and the maximum is until you can like spend. So here we will put the same ad budget. Okay, now let's go to next part and let's hide this option. Okay, so campaign advantage campaign budget, we have selected this and hide this part. Okay, no, this part is not done. Budget rescheduling, so let it be. Increase your budget during a specific time period. So we can, if we want to show our ad on weekend more, then we can like start. For example, let's do it. Okay, so this Friday to this Sunday, because people are in like they have Sundays week offs, then they can use social media using Facebook and Instagram. They will come to know about this ad. And time is Friday after 6 p.m. So 6 means 18. Yes. No. 6 means 6. 6 to 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to let it be like 12 a.m. Right. Increase budget during by 50 rupees. No, 100 rupees. Sorry, how come 100 rupees. Meta will aim to spend an average of like if we have budget of something exactly figure, the deduction will not be the same. That means it will either higher that amount like 300 here or lower that amount. Okay. So we have like created this time period wala duration for running our ad and spending more at that time. From this place, add another time period. We can add another time period, and from this place we can like it is for now it will be running all the time. So we want to do this. Yeah. Here is A/B testing. I'm not going to touch it because I will have to do extra work for A/B testing, but it will be beneficial. So let's simply go to next steps. So this was first step of our while creating social media marketing or ad, while creating ad campaign. So in Facebook or from in Facebook Ad Manager, there are 3 steps to create a campaign. First, create a campaign, then create ad set, then create ad. We are into second step. Now I will rename this ad set. So I have already copied the content in my clipboard from last that campaign level. So this was here. I have pasted it here. So I have renamed this ad. Now, what our goal is? Awareness, maximum reach of ad. We want to reach to here. We have some other goals. So it is like making some decisions. So what we want to do is we can show maximum reach. We want this. There are like you can show limited people, but you can use frequency kind of like you can show it more during night to particular people. Okay. So here we have Facebook page. We need to change it since we are running it for different accounts. So we have like selected our Facebook page. Okay, it is dental clinic. Okay. Okay. So cost per result goal. So let it be. It is not recommending anything. Just go to next step. So show more options. Frequency cap. So we want to show our ad one time to every 7 days. Yes, or 2 times. We want to show our ad 2 times in 1 day, or yes, 1 day. If like if you are living in this city, you will see this ad. If you are using Facebook or I mean, so you will see this ad 2 times in a day. Okay, as simple as that. So next, when I will get charged, if anyone sees my ad, I will get charged, or this account will get charged. Okay. Dynamic creative means we can like use images, headlines, and Facebook will automatically generate. So in the last video we used dynamic creative. Here we can do here also. So let's do it. So now how to, okay, we can continue. So let's go further and start this ad day. So we want to run this ad from tomorrow to, we don't have end date. When client will tell us to close this ad, we will turn it off from like our mobile. We will look at it later. Okay. So there is no end date. So from July 17, 2014, from in the night, date, this ad will start running. Okay. Okay. There target audience. So where we want to see this ad, so we will remove this country. If you want to target whole India, you can like select this country. So I'll select my city where this one will be live. Okay. This place is for diameter. 50 miles means 100 kilometer, 25 miles 50. Okay. Now I will do it like minimum 10 miles means 20 kilometers. So this will be the reason where this ad will be shown. Okay. So from here I can, no, it is good. So since we are using advantage plus audience, it will use technology to find our audience. So we have in last video we see this, like we have used this option. We manually like created audience and we have that option to save it. But this business is different. Here it will show according to its algorithm to those audience who are like eligible or whatever. So this place is for ad placements. So ad placements means short feed ad, home feed ad, and there are many positions like stories. These are some placements where ad will be shown. Okay. So I'll make it automatically. I will not edit it because there are almost more than 30 or 20 placements. Okay. So from this place I can make some restrictions. Okay. So let it be. We don't want to restrict anything. Okay. So go to next step. So this we have completed. We have just completed our second step of like ad set. Wait, I will have to rename it again. Okay, this was ad set. Okay, so in the third step, I will close this template and I will manually type. And this is ad. This is ad. Okay. So this is done. Let it be. This part partnership let it be for now. Instagram account has been fetched. Facebook is attached. Facebook page. Instagram account has been fetched. Why? Because it is connected with this Facebook account. So Instagram has already like part of Meta. I told in the last video. Okay, so this is ad setup. So we are in the final part of ad setup. What we want to show? We want to show two or more scrollable images or one video or one image or video or slideshow with. So we will select this. Okay. Now it's time to select a video. So let me show you this video. It has some sound. Yeah. This is like 16 by 9. And we have another video of this. This is image and this video is like 9 by 16. So now let's attach this video in this part. So if we want to select a video, I will select it from this place. And we already have uploaded this video. So I'll choose it from here, or if I can upload it from here, I will choose this place to upload from my desktop. Since we already have it here, we will use it. So this is our video. Continue. No, this should not be our. So let's again select some video. Is this video? Yes. Let's select. So I have selected this video, and here it is given me a 10. Now this is good. Okay, this video is good. Let me show you. So this is preview image. Okay, and it will show on to do only those placements where where it is suitable, since this is not mobile kind of video, vertical. Okay, so we need to optimize creative for each person, like for each placement. So again, I'll upload another video like this video, and I'll continue. So I have added another video for mobile placements, and from this place it will automatically optimize my video to each person. Where you are at creative design. Okay, so I'll select it. And why we are adding more than one video? Because we want to show our video in various placements. So this is like desktop, mobile, this is tab, this is mobile, this is like TV. Yeah. Okay, so we have selected two videos. Let it be for now, and we'll go and move to next step. So this is primary text. So we will have to create primary text. So now we will use AI tool. So because AI tools are good at doing it, and in the past video we have used Gravity Write, right? I'm not sure, but Gravity Write, yes. Gravity Write is a good tool. This time we will use different edit. So I'll open Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI tool, and let's go into Gemini. Gemini's previous name is Bard. It has a previous name, like Google is late at AI tool. So from this place, this is Gemini. This is header. This is left side navigation. You can close it from this place. You can close it from burger icon. This burger icon. This is drop down, and there are many versions of generative AI. Gemini tool is also a generative AI. Here, try Gemini Advanced. Here is this account. Here is this Google apps, means other Google products. So in this part, I will write. I will make prompting. Prompting means like giving some command. So I'm like telling an AI tool or a generative AI tool to do something for me. Here I want 2 primary text, 2 headlines, and 1 description. I have created an ad for dental implant instrument. I want 2 primary headlines, 2 headlines, primary text. Let me show you this, what I'm talking about. So it is here. This is primary text. Yeah, this place, and this is headings. Okay. So 2 headings and 1 description. Okay. After this, we will go to grammar. Why? Because we want to push content in correct English, or we want to add some hashtags. So we will use Grammarly. If we need to log in, let's log in. Here is our content. So smile with confidence. Paste it here. Primary text. Again, let's copy another primary text. Restore your complete smile. And I'm adding in SUNY, in my district, in this district. Why it has gone? Okay, here. spelling okay. So let's add only 2 primary tags and it will suggest the rest. We need to add 5 primary tags and we can use it from this place. Wait, our prompt is wrong, so we will go back to like the AI tool and give it right prompt. So let's edit it. I've created an ad for Orange City Dental Care Clinic in SUNY. Country. On dental implants in SUNY. Now our prompt is good and okay. Now let's update it. So we are trying to generate another option like after editing this prompt. So yes, here we have got good thing. Nice. We have got description. Okay. So now let's copy this and paste it here into third headline. So we will choose rest two headlines or primary text from this place. Actually, this. System is slow because I'm using so many things at the same time. Okay. Tuning wali line is good. So I have selected 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5. Okay. Let it be for now and go to headline section. So where is our headline? So here, headline options. These are our headlines. Nice. So just copy and paste headlines. And like where it is, yeah. We have 4 headlines actually. We will paste. Either we will use our headlines or Facebook will also suggest us. Okay, so where is second headline? This is a second headline. So we can use from this place. Next 3 headlines, we can use it from this place. Select this. Now it's time to add description. So let it be for now grammar key to जाने दो अभी. And for description we will like use this option 1. Read it once before sharing anything. Read it once. Okay, this is not our part. Only this is our part. And put it here in the description section. And add hashtag dental implant hashtag SUNY. I've added 2 hashtags. Okay, we can also add another description, but we will add it for now. Here we will add website URL. So here is the website URL for this business and I'll paste it here. So after like adding website URL, I will like see display link. Enter the link you wish to show your add-on. So display link means website visit the website visit Split link is invalid. Okay, so I will have to. Everything is good. Okay, here we will have to enter link. Here it is. Learn more or yeah, it is good. Sign up, subscribe, show more. is good. Add another option. Okay. So we have just created our ad. Let me see, is there anything left? Okay, so we have just created our ad. Now let's copy this ad, and link sharing is on. For 30 days, I'll activate this link. I'll copy this link and close this button and ad preview on. So whenever, now I will told client that ad is ready. So dental implant ad is ready. Preview link. Implants. Dental implants ad is ready. There is a preview link. So I have just informed that link is ready. I mean, ad is ready. From this place, we will publish it. These are some placements where we can show our ad. That's why we have created different kinds of videos. And from this place, let's publish it. I published this ad, and it will get scheduled from like Wednesday in the some particular time. I have not remembered it. And like we will get mail in this account, the similar mail. Okay. With video creative here, with name here. Okay. So this is it.